In this video, we are going to see how we can see the backup photos in the Google Photos. So if your Google Photos is backing up all of your photos and videos that you take on your mobile phone, here is how you can easily see what has been backed up. And for that, obviously we have to head over to the Google Photos. So we go to the Google folder and we head over to the photos, and on the top right hand corner we can see this profile icon and the little cloud sign. It is cancelled. That means currently it's not being backed up. Like whatever I take as a photo, let me just take it. It might be linked to something else, because as I open my photos, it will not be shown here. So currently on the right hand side we can see this cloud backup is cancelled. So let's see how we can check the settings. First of all, we head over to the profile icon and scroll all the way down to the bottom where it says photo settings. Click on that. Now the cloud sign that you have seen earlier is cancelled out. That's because when we check the photo settings, the backup is being made to this other email ID. So if we click on that, it says backup videos and photos on your camera folder. You can get the storage. You can save it to the backup of this other one. So if you want to change it to other account, we just change it from here, and now it's backing up to this other account. You will see on the right hand side on the profile icon that it will process a little bit and then it will show that it's backing up in this folder. But one thing you might have noticed, that even if we go to settings, we won't be able to see which photos are exactly backed up. Even if you check your data in Google Photos, we won't be able to see it. So what we do is we just go to Google and write here photos.google.com, and on the left hand side we can see this hamburger sign. Just make sure once. From here, just change the ID to whatever account you want to see the backup of. Make sure you're signed in with the correct ID. And if we scroll down, we should be able to see all of these photos associated with a single account. So that's about it. This is how you see the backup photos. And if we want to customize this settings on Google Photos, we click on the photo settings again and we go to the preferences, and from here you see how your photos will be viewed. Only show backed up content and all, hide clutter from other apps, group the similar faces, and you can make all of these settings and adjustments. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.